Here we come to a really large elevator at the Contemporary Art Museum, which is known as the Glassell School of Art as part of the Museum of Fine Arts Houston District in Houston, Texas. This thing is big and it's a ThyssenKrupp. All right, here it comes. I hear the motor. We're gonna have an amazing motor on this. And here it is. Wow, this thing is big. Holy cow, this thing is big. I don't know how well this video is going to turn out because this thing is quite busy even if the building is empty. Lots of people were randomly getting on, and it makes the video painfully hard. Alright, let's go to roof. Alright, let's get ready for an amazing motor. Epic. And that is an amazing view over there. Look at that view. It is gorgeous out there. What a motor. We'll go for one more ride and then we will end the video where I started. But my gosh, that motor. Despite the fan, but you can still clearly hear the motor over the fan. Anyways, we'll go for one more ride and we'll end that one. Here we go. gonna try to get a view up here. Wow, look at this view. I love this panoramic view up here. It's like a sitting area of some type. And over there you can clearly see Texas Medical Center, and I hear the Metro Rail. There's the Hotel Zaza over there. All right, it looks like the elevators just left us, so we'll go back down. Before we go back down, oh, you can see downtown Houston over there, see? That's downtown Houston over there. All right, let's go back down now. Oh good, the elevator's still here. My gosh, is this thing huge. This is one of the biggest elevators I've ever ridden. We'll go to both 1R and 1F this time. But my gosh, this thing is huge. I'm so glad I finally got a detailed video of this elevator. Man, this thing is huge. And the only downside is that this thing is also incredibly slow too. So this is what you call a hydraulic elevator. This is one of the biggest elevators I have ever ridden before. I'm so glad I got a great view of the doors opening to the outside. And you see that opens out into the loading dock. I'm gonna demonstrate that door opening again, because that door opening was, I absolutely love that view. All right, we're gonna open both doors. All right, I'm gonna watch it both close up, and I'm gonna ring the bell, and after that, that'll be the end of the video. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sample the chime, and after that, that'll be it. I literally finished the video just in time as people started to board. So, anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video of this big elevator here. Thank you so much for watching, and that'll be it.